Thanks for joining me for the InterCity Tech Assistant 3, a video training series developed by InterCity Cubes, a member of the InterCity Underwriting Consulting Team to the Illinois Tollway. This series was developed for construction companies enrolled in the Illinois Tollway Technical Assistance Program. In this series, we share information intended to help you get the most out of your investment in the 365 subscription. Today, we'll talk about two core programs in the 365 suite, Teams and Planner. Both of these programs, I believe, can be used as an affordable project management solution for small construction companies. Again, this is a training series brought to you as a special training program we developed for construction contractors enrolled in the Illinois Technical Assistance Program. More information about the program can be found on our website. Now, before we begin, let's have a short disclaimer about the information we're going to provide here. In doing this series on the Microsoft 365 platform, we are not in any way, shape, or form recommending that this is the best program or the only program you can use. We are simply providing this information for those contractors who've already invested in the technology and want to get more out of it, or those who are evaluating it as an option for their company. We believe that it's important that if you've made the investment or you're looking to make the investment, you would like to find ways in which you can make it work best for your company and maximize your return on that particular investment. For every field of study, there's a basic vocabulary that you have to learn before you can really understand the core concepts of that field. We're going to take about 3 minutes here to cover some basic vocabulary that I believe you need to understand in order to fully understand the Office 365 technology. First term, domain. This is your home. This is your home on the internet for file storage. www.whatever.com is a domain. Just like the house you live in, only people authorized by the owner of the house has keys. On the internet, authorized users have usernames, somebody at whatever.com, and the key is the password that you have for accessing that particular domain. Browser. There are several of them. Internet Explorer, Edge, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, and many more. The browser is a window. It's a window to the internet, or more specifically, the files stored on the internet domains you have permission to see. When you type in www.whatever.com in the browser or click on a link on a web page, the browser tells the internet you want to see what's on that page. You're essentially knocking on someone's domain door, asking to see what's inside. If you are authorized by the owner of that domain, then you get to see through your browser what's on that page. Next term, the cloud or cloud storage. This is your computer on the internet or your section of a computer on the internet where your files and the programs you use to access those files are stored. When you purchase a Microsoft 365 subscription, you're essentially renting a home on the internet from Microsoft for storage of your files and the Office 365 programs you use to access those files. So now let's tie these three terms together. At the login screen for your Office 365 subscription, you are providing your username and password. This gives you access to the domain that you've acquired for storing your files and accessing the programs that are stored on the Microsoft cloud. Those are the key concepts that we need to understand before we move on to the next section of Teams and Planner.